Assalamu alaikum students. Question number 2. From the following transaction related to Sundar and company, prepare cash book with 2 columns. Date 2018 September 1. Bank balance amount 52,000. Next, cash balance amount 15,000. September 4. Purchase goods and payment made by check 15,000. September 8. Sold good for cash rupees 8,000. September 13. Purchase machinery and payment made by check rupees 10,000. September 16. Sold good and received check deposit same day rupees 12,000. September 17. Purchase good for cash from Murnal 18,000. 20. Purchase stationery and paid by check rupees 2,100. September 24. Check given to Avdhut rupees 1,800. September 27. Cash withdraw from bank rupees 12,000. September 30. Paid rent by check rupees 500. And September 30. Paid salary rupees 4,000. What we have to do? We have to prepare cash book, 2 column cash book with cash and bank column. Okay, now we are moving forward to the solution. In the book of Sundar and company, cash book with 2 column, debit side called receipt side and credit side called payment side. 1st September there is a balance shown in cash as well as bank, so I write on receipt side 2018 September 1. To balance brought down on cash column 15,000 and on bank column 52,000. Next, cash purchase and payment made by check. Purchase good and payment made by check. Enter will be like purchase account debit to bank account. So cash book credit side, date 2018 September 4, by purchase account and bank column amount 58,000. क्लियर? क्या किया हमने? परचेज किए, सो परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट एंड कैश बुक क्रेडिट साइड में राइट बाय परचेज अकाउंट एंड बैंक कॉलम अमाउंट 15,000. नरेशन बीइंग गुड्स परचेज्ड, being goods purchased. Next, September 8, sold good for cash. Enter will be like cash account debit to sales account. So cash book debit side we write date 8 to sales account and cash column we write 8,000. Narration being goods sold for cash. Being goods sold for cash. Next, September 13. Purchase machinery and payment made by check amount 10,000. हमने मशीन परचेज की और पेमेंट कैसे किया? चेक से की. सो मशीन अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट. मशीनरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट. क्लियर? सो बैंक अकाउंट का क्रेडिट साइड लिखेंगे डेट 13 बाय मशीनरी अकाउंट and bank column amount 10,000. Narration being machinery purchased. Okay. Next, 16. Sold goods and received check amounting to rupees 12,000. हमने गुड्स बेचे और हमको क्या मिला? ऑन द स्पॉट चेक मिला और हमने चेक बैंक में डिपॉजिट किए. एंटर विल बी लाइक बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स अकाउंट. सो कैश बुक डेबिट साइड में राइट 16 to sales account and amount we write on bank column, amount 12,000. Narration: being goods sold. Being goods sold. Next, 17. Purchase good for cash from Mrunal rupees 18,000. अभी हमने क्या किया, मृणाल से गुड्स 18,000 रुपीज़ में परचेज किए. Entry will be like purchase account debit to cash account. So on cash book credit side we write date 17, by purchase account, and cash column we write amount 8,000. Clear? By purchase account, and we write the amount in cash column rupees 18,000. Narration: being goods purchased. Being goods purchased. Next, September 20. Purchase stationery and paid by check rupees 2,100. So narration will like, entry will be like stationery account debit to bank account. So cash book credit side we write date 20, by stationery account, and bank column amount 2,100. Narration: being stationery purchased. Being stationery purchased. Next, September 24. Check given to Avdut rupees 1,800. अभी हमने क्या किया, अवधूत को चेक दिए. एंट्री विल बी लाइक अवधूत अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट. Avdut account debit to bank account. So I write on cash book credit side date 24, by Avdut account, and bank column amount 1,800. Narration: being check issued. Being check issued. Okay. Next, September 27. Cash withdraw from bank rupees 12,000. अभी हमने क्या किए, our own cash we withdraw from own bank account. It's called counter entry. Means हमारे बैंक अकाउंट में से ही हमारे कैश हमने withdraw किए. So entry will be like cash account debit to bank account. So first, on cash book debit side we write date 27 to bank account, and cash column we write amount 12,000. Narration: being cash withdraw from bank, and LF column we write C. C stands for counter entry. And cash book credit side we write date 27, by cash account, and total shown on bank column 12,000, and on LF column we show C. C stands for counter entry. Narration: being cash withdraw from bank. Clear है? First to bank account, cash column 12,000, and second by cash account, bank column 12,000. Okay. Next, September 30. Paid rent by check rupees 500. Narration will be like rent account debit to bank account. So first, entry will be like rent account debit to bank account. So cash book credit side we write date 30, by rent account, and bank column we write amount 500, being rent paid. Narration: being rent paid. Last, September 30. Paid salary, amount rupees 4,000. Entry will be like salary account debit to cash account. So cash book credit side we write date 30, by salary account, in cash column we write amount 4,000. And narration: being salary paid. Being salary paid. Okay. Now all transaction is over. Now we do final total. So debit side total is higher than the credit side total, and the debit side total is cash column 35,000, bank column 64,000. This total we write on credit side, cash column 35,000, bank column 64,000. Out of debit side total, we deduct all the credit side total, and at the end we have on cash column 13,000 and on bank column 22,600. It's a closing balance of current month, that is for the month of September. So we write September 30 by balance carried down, cash column 13,000, bank column 22,600. These balance transfer to next month, that is October 1. So we write October 1 to balance brought down 13,000 and 22,600. Clear, students? Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.